Parallel plate capacitor. Let us consider the parallel plate capacitor with area of the plate as A and the separation between the plates is D. Let the plates are charged with the charges plus Q and minus Q respectively. In order to explain the parallel plate capacitor, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this information to draw a figure. So here is my figure where you can see the area of my plates are A and the top plate is charged with charge plus Q and the bottom plate is charged with negative Q and they are separated at D distance apart. Now let's find the electric field in between the plate. So we will write let the electric field between the plate is E, which is given as E is equal to Q over epsilon 0 A, and let this is our equation number 1. Since the separation between the plates of the capacitor is D, then the electric potential is given as V is equal to ED, and let this is our equation number 2. Now let's substitute equation 1 in equation 2, and my equation 1 is here and equation 2 is V is equal to ED, and if we do that we will write V is equal to E, which is Q over epsilon 0 A times D, and let this is our equation number 3. We know that C is equal to Q over V, and now let's substitute the value of V in this equation. So substituting the value from equation 3 to equation 4, we have C is equal to Q over epsilon 0 A times D. Now let's simplify further, and if we do that we can cancel out Q, and if we do that we will write C is equal to 1 over epsilon 0 A times D, because Q is common in numerator and denominator. If we simplify further we will write C is equal to epsilon 0 A over D, because we are dividing a number by a fraction, and if we do that we flip it, and if we flip it we will get epsilon 0 A at the numerator and D will be at the denominator. So we will get C is equal to epsilon 0 A over D. If the parallel plate capacitor has a dielectric of dielectric constant K, which is placed in between the parallel plate capacitor, then the capacitance of the capacitor will be given as C is equal to K epsilon 0 A over D. And this is how we will define the parallel plate capacitor.